In the depths of the ocean, where mystery reigns and beauty knows no bounds, there exists a creature of legend, the mermaid. But what are the origins of these enigmatic beings, and what tales do they hold? According to ancient myths and folklore, mermaids are said to be born from the union of sea and sky, a harmonious blend of terrestrial and aquatic realms. Legends tell of mermaids possessing the captivating beauty of humans, with the ethereal allure of the ocean. Their long, flowing hair mirrors the undulating currents of the sea, while their shimmering tails propel them through the depths with grace and agility. But mermaids are not without their mysteries. Legends speak of their haunting songs, which lure unsuspecting sailors to their doom, entrancing them with promises of eternal bliss beneath the waves. Throughout history, mermaids have captured the imagination of people around the world, inspiring countless tales of love, loss, and adventure. Whether portrayed as benevolent beings or seductive sirens, while specific details vary, the common theme is the depiction of half-human, half-fish creatures inhabiting the oceans. One theory suggests that the concept of mermaids may have emerged from sightings of marine creatures like manatees, dugongs, or even large fish, which, when seen from a distance or under certain conditions, could be mistaken for humanoid forms in the water. Mermaids are known for their captivating beauty, often portrayed with the upper body of a human and the lower body of a fish. They are associated with the sea and are believed to possess mystical powers, such as the ability to manipulate water, communicate with marine life, and control the weather. There have been numerous reports of sightings by sailors and coastal residents claiming to have seen mermaid-like creatures. Additionally, some anthropologists and marine biologists point to the existence of aquatic mammals, such as manatees and dugongs, as potential sources of inspiration for mermaid legends. While these animals do not precisely match the traditional depiction of mermaids, they share some physical characteristics, such as a humanoid face and a flipper-like tail, which could have contributed to the creation of mermaid myths. Furthermore, the vastness and unexplored depths of the oceans leave room for speculation about undiscovered species that could resemble the mythical mermaid. While scientific evidence supporting the existence of mermaids remains elusive, the enduring fascination with these legendary creatures continues to fuel curiosity and inspire exploration of the world's oceans.